Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing the full review of the brand new Infinix Note 50X 5G. From display to performance, from camera to charging, every detail is explained clearly so you can decide whether this phone is worth buying in 2025. Let's get started. Push pin 1. Network and build quality. 0:20 to 1 o'clock. The Infinix Note 50X 5G comes with full 5G network support, ensuring faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and better gaming on supported networks. In terms of build quality, the phone features a modern design with a solid structure. Even though it uses a plastic frame and back, the finish looks premium and feels comfortable in the hand. The dimensions and build design are optimized for a balanced weight, making it easy to hold for long usage. You get a dual SIM setup, allowing users to manage personal and work numbers without any hassle. Push pin 2. Display experience. 1 o'clock to 1:50. The Infinix Note 50X 5G features a high-quality display that enhances your viewing experience. The display type provides good color reproduction and clarity, suitable for everyday usage like watching videos, scrolling social media, and browsing the web. The resolution ensures sharp visuals, and brightness levels are decent for both indoor and outdoor use. Screen-to-body ratio is high, meaning you get more screen and fewer bezels, great for gaming and watching movies. Even though this phone does not feature flagship-level AMOLED protection, the display still delivers impressive performance at this price point. Push pin 3. OS and user interface. 150 to 220. The phone runs on the latest Infinix operating system, giving you a smooth and responsive UI experience. Animations, app loading times, and switching between apps feel fluid. The UI has improved over time, now offering cleaner layouts and fewer unnecessary pre-installed apps. Push pin 4. Processor, CPU and GPU performance. 2:20 to 3 o'clock. The Infinix Note 50X 5G comes with a capable chipset designed for everyday tasks. The CPU ensures efficient performance, allowing you to browse, stream, use social media, and multitask without lag. The GPU delivers good graphics performance, making casual gaming enjoyable. While it is not a flagship gaming phone, it handles most popular games at medium settings smoothly. This combination of CPU and GPU delivers balanced performance, making it suitable for students and general users. Push pin 5. RAM and storage. 3 o'clock to 3:30. The phone comes with multiple RAM and storage variants. RAM management is decent, allowing you to keep several apps open without frequent reloads. Internal storage is expandable, giving users the flexibility to store photos, videos, and apps without limitations. For a budget 5G device, storage performance is impressive. Push pin 6. Battery and charging. 3:30 to 4:10. One of the strongest points of the Infinix Note 50X 5G is its large battery. It comfortably lasts a full day under moderate to heavy usage, including video watching, gaming, and browsing. Fast charging capability ensures that the phone charges quickly, allowing you to get back to using your device without waiting too long. This combination of long battery life and fast charging makes the phone ideal for heavy users. Push pin 7. Camera performance. 4:10 to 5 o'clock. The primary camera on the Infinix Note 50X 5G is a 50-megapixel wide sensor, assisted by PDAF for faster and more accurate focus. Photo quality in daylight is sharp and detailed. Colors are lively, and dynamic range is respectable for a phone in this budget. Video recording performs well for social media purposes. The front camera also gives good results for selfies and video calls. While it may not compete with premium mid-range devices, it offers very good value at this price. Push pin 8. Sensors, IP rating and NFC. 5 o'clock to 5:30. The device includes all essential sensors needed for daily use. You also get an IP rating that provides resistance against light water splashes, making the phone more durable. Additionally, NFC support is available, which is helpful for contactless payments and quick pairing. Push pin 9. Price and final verdict. 5:30 to 6:20. The Infinix Note 50X 5G is priced around €130 internationally, which gives it excellent value for money. Final verdict. If you're looking for a phone with 5G support, big battery, good display, and balanced performance, the Infinix Note 50X 5G is a strong contender in the budget segment. Great for students, regular users, and anyone needing a reliable 5G smartphone at a competitive price. Pushpin outro, 620 to 640. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. Thank you for watching.